Om Amadeshwari Namaha. My humble pranams to all Amma's darling children. Happy Diwali wishes to all of you. Diwali is the festival of light. Light represents love. Light also represents wisdom. One small lamp is enough to brighten a room which was dark for so many years. Its glow brings not only light but also beauty. So imagine how bright and how beautiful it will be when so many lamps are lit together. So many lamps of so many sizes and shapes. The differences in size and shape will not be noticed at all. It becomes irrelevant. Only the light of the lamp will be noticed. We are also like these little lamps. At the physical, mental, and intellectual levels, there are differences. But it is the same Chaitanyam that resides in all of us. It has no shape and no form. It is like fire. Fire has actually no particular shape and no special form. Yet it can be seen. Its light can be seen. But this Chaitanyam is not awakened in our ordinary life. That's why there seems to be darkness. It is the darkness of ignorance. If even one person light the lamp within, the world around that person will become bright and beautiful. Then imagine that so many people light the lamps of love, lamps of spiritual wisdom within. How bright and beautiful the world will become. Then all superficial differences become irrelevant. When spiritual knowledge is awakened, individual differences become insignificant. At present, the world is gripped by the darkness caused by corona. We need light to remove this darkness. It is said that the light from oil lamps can drive away viruses like corona. Spiritual light also awakens the hidden strength within us. If we submit ourselves to our Guru, it will be very easy for us to awaken the spiritual light in us. It is easy to light lamps on the outside. These lamps outside can inspire us. The light and beauty of the little lamps we light on Deepavali day are a very inspiring sight. So Deepavali is actually an external reminder of our hidden spiritual possibilities within. Like the little Deepavali lamps, little acts of love and devotion can make a big difference in this world. May Amma bless all of us to become like these little lamps of love, lamps of spiritual wisdom. We will be